Hey everybody, welcome to the channel and welcome to a new video in Plasticity. My name is Mike and today we are creating a new practice object, right? It's going to be kind of like a water bottle type deal, okay? So we're going to go to object mode, we're going to select our cube, we're going to delete, get rid of that. Then we're going to jump to our front view, click on our cube, front view, there you go. Then we're going to go to the top icon in this vertical column and we're going to click on line, or you can use the shortcut Shift plus A, right? So we got that, and then we're going to go to the bottom here. Let's go slightly above it and just create something looking like this and hit enter. And then we're going to go to the top of our bottle and we're going to grab a new line. Make that a little bit diagonal, like so. Hit enter again. And then we're going to connect the two. And we're going to go to the second symbol here. We're going to left click and hold, select the second symbol. And then we're going to go from here. I click on that. And then right click. Okay. So that's what we have so far. Okay, cool. Now, what we need to do next is we need to combine these. Now, I found that it's not always easy to get shortcuts to respond straight away, but we'll see. We're going to hit J to join, and that worked, as you can see. And next what we're going to do is a revolve operation. So we're going to click on revolve, and we're going to click on this point right here. We're going to move up, and we're going to click on that point right there, and we're going to click on OK. So now this is our shape so far, okay? Now, what I want to do is I want to get rid of the curves because we don't need them anymore. Delete. And then this guy is one solid object, which is good. Now, what I want to do is I want to take a copy of this object and place it inside, and you will find out why in a minute, right? So we're going to hit Shift D to duplicate it. We're going to move that out. We're going to click on OK, and then we're going to hit S to scale, okay, and then we're going to do 0.9, 0.9, and 0.9. Click on OK. Then we're going to hit G again, and we're going to move it back into the center, and try to get that perfectly aligned, okay. Now you're probably wondering what's that for? Well, you'll see in a minute, okay? Okay, now that we have that, we're gonna grab a circle, in this case a center circle, and we're gonna pull that out until we have something looking like this, okay? We're gonna hit G, we're gonna grab it, and we're gonna move it somewhere in here to about there, I would say, right? Click on OK. Next up, we're going to go and select our outside object. We're going to shift select this guy. Hopefully the shortcut works this time. We're going to hit C to cut, and it did, right? It worked fine. Click on OK. Then we're going to make sure that we have that small section with solid 8, and we're going to hit delete. Then we're going to grab our circle. We're going to delete that as well. We're going to go up here and turn off our X-ray mode. Close that out. And then from here, we're going to go in and grab our edges all the way around. Fill it. Hold down B and pull it out, doing something like this. Okay. Click on OK. And then if you want to do something similar on the other side, but let's say a little bit smaller, what you can do is go in here. Oops, not that one. Go in here to the front view and let's make a smaller circle like this. Hit G, move it up here. I kind of see that working as a grip on a bottle, you know, kind of like your thumb one end, and yeah, that would work. Okay, we're going to click OK, then we're going to go up here, we're going to click this guy, we're going to shift select this guy, we're going to click cut once again. I think it worked And yeah, it did. And now we got a solid 11. That's this guy. Let's delete that. Let's delete this. Get rid of that. Let's go in here. Go to edge. Select them both. Hit the B for fillet. And there you have it. Something like that, right? And then what we're going to do is we're going to add some material to it. So let's go in here and let's find something that works for us, right? So let's change the color to something a little bit more red, I would say. Maybe increase the roughness a little bit. And of course we have a different material on the inside. That's where you're seeing two colors. I'm not crazy about this color, to be honest. That looks a little bit better. All right, cool. So click on that and then we'll do something like this. So yeah, there you go. This is, it's kind of a fantasy thing, but, and of course the purpose is to show you the techniques, but at the same time trying to make an object, right? Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.